Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here, and that screen flickering is just in camera, not in person. It's got a really good turning radius. It shifts nice and smooth. And we do have a warning light here that is for the washer fluid. So this is about to go through service after I finish videoing, so all of that will be addressed. Brakes feel nice. The steering wheel doesn't shake when you apply the brakes. And once we get around this turn, I'm gonna get on it just a little bit. Not full throttle, but I will get it up and going. And it shifts absolutely perfect. Steering wheel's nice and straight. Like I said, the brakes feel good. This is a beautiful vehicle, both inside and out. And you wouldn't know it had 114,000 miles based on its condition. So definitely a perfect car. Okay, we're gonna do a quick visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, or any type of damage or cosmetic imperfections. So here on the front right wheel, got a little bit of cloudiness right here. A couple spots down there. I wouldn't say it's any curb rash though. These tires look amazing. Got a rock chip here. A little scuff on the fender flare, chip there. Otherwise that fender looks amazing. Couple minor chips on the side mirror. Got one right here, but the rest of that A-pillar looks good. That door looks nice. Here on the back door, you do have a gash in the paint. That quarter panel looks amazing. Here on this wheel, we have some small imperfections here. A couple scratches there. Otherwise though, the rest of that wheel looks amazing. And this upper section looks good. This side is super, super clean. And then looking at the front end, of course, you're gonna have your rock impacts and minor rock chips every once in a while. So I will notate those, but we're also looking for any type of damage larger than that. So here's a little rock impacts, some small rock chips, little imperfection there, a couple chips. All very minor and normal for the kind of miles it has. Some larger chips on the edge of the hood here. Got a couple there. One right here. All of that looks good. And I do see some gashes right there and a very minor crack here. Overall, that side looks good. Headlights look nice, so that front end looks really good. Here in the engine bay, all of this looks nice and clean. And then here on the driver's side fender, looks good. And one thing to note, you can just see how pretty that paint is by the reflection in those lights. The paint was definitely taken care of. Besides a couple little chips on the edge of that wheel, that looks amazing. Very minor chips on the side mirror. A-pillar looks good. Got one chip here. A couple small chips on the door edge. A very tiny scuff. And there is a crease right here in the door. You can see that. It's about that big. It looks like it did not damage the paint, so that's an easy fix. Got a couple chips there. Got a scuff right here. A little chip on the edge. Otherwise, that quarter panel looks good. And then that wheel's nice and clean. Then looking in the cargo area, these carpets look good. Seat backs look nice. I don't see any flaws back here. And then looking at the back here, we have a small scuff right there. That bumper looks nice. I'm looking at the edge here for any gashes. That looks amazing. A couple tiny scuffs right there. Got a chip right here, but otherwise this back looks perfect. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker, and for the mileage, it is very, very clean. You can tell they definitely took care of this vehicle. Small scuff here, a couple little indentions every once in a while on that edge. You can see these buttons look new. All of that looks good. Very minor scuffs on the wood grain. You do have your typical scuffs from getting in and out of the vehicle right here. A little wear where the foot sits, but the rest of that mat looks nice. Looking at this bolster, you do have some wear right here and some minor cracking. This, though, looks perfect. Here on the steering wheel, a little bit of wear on the edges. These buttons look perfect. Those look good. That screen is clean. This cubby works great. A lot of them are normally broken. And then all of these look awesome. And then here on the front right door panel, that wood grain looks good. All of this plastic's clean. The handle looks amazing. Here on the lower side, I see a small indentation right here. Other than that, it looks perfect. This kick plate area looks nice. That bolster looks perfect. That one as well. See a little marking here. Might be something that can wipe off. And a little imperfection there, but otherwise, that seat looks perfect. That looks amazing. And this side of the vehicle is really, really nice. Here on the back right door panel, we do have a little cut there and a crease. This upper side looks nice. Lower section looks good. That trim is clean. Seat back looks perfect. A couple little small imperfections. Looks like a car seat was here, so it put a little indentation. But otherwise, the leather looks really, really nice. And you got the massive panoramic roof. Very nice back here. Here on the back left door panel, we have a little notch right here, but other than that, all of it's super clean. Kick plate area looks good. These seats are really, really clean. I don't see any flaws here on the seat back.